Alright guys, it is Monday once again. I'm sure you're all overjoyed that it's Monday. It's time for a few new workouts you can do. Today we're doing push-ups, 3 different kinds of creative new push-ups with a half cinder block. Gonna be super awesome, super lit, so stay tuned because we're gonna get to it right after this. Alright guys, so it is time to get our swole on for our chesticles, our man boobs. So we're going to be doing 3 different kinds of push-ups with our handy dandy half cinder blocks here. We're going to be doing some creative push-ups that will get us swole on with virtually no equipment in just a little while. So let's get to it. I got to move the camera so you can see me when I get down on the ground. So let's do that. Alright guys, so I got my handy dandy half cinder block and we're out here virtually in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to show you how to do some basic exercises that don't take any special equipment or anything but motivation and motivation. I said it twice, and I know, because I said it for a reason. So today we're going to be doing 3 kinds of push-ups, like I said. So the first push-up we're going to do is the uneven push-up, or I'm sure you guys have some fancier names for that, but that's what I'm going to call it. So what you're going to do is you take your cinder block, put it on the ground. Very complicated so far. Put one hand on the cinder block, one hand on the ground, and you're going to do push-ups. This is good because it puts more strain on one arm than on the other arm, and it basically just livens things up a little bit from your basic push-up. So what's this going to look like? Keep your back straight, please. Keep your back straight. I can't tell you how frustrating it is to see people with their jacked up backs. So keep your back straight, keep your head pointed forward, and push up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, super basic, the uneven push-up, whatever you want to call it, that's it. So that is the first one. Next, super simple and basic, this is what I call the hand together push-up. Now, this can be done by putting your hands in a triangle and putting them on the ground, but I like actually having something to hold on to. So what I like to do, take my cinder block, put my hands in the holes of the cinder block, put it in front of me like this because this keeps a good spacing for your hands. You'll notice when your hands are in the cinder blocks, your thumbs touch just like they're in the triangle. And you're going to simply get in front of you, again, back straight, head looking forward, and you're going to touch your chest to the block. So it's going to look like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Guys, I'm tired. I think I'm just lazy. I always get out of breath. Maybe it's because I'm talking so much. I don't normally talk when I work out. I just like put my earbuds in and work out. I think that's a normal thing to do. So, okay. It's hot out here. It's always hot out here. I say that every video, but it's hot out here. All right, guys. So the final push-up we're going to do is actually a little bit more challenging, but a lot more fun. You're going to take your cinder block. You're going to put one corner in the ground. You're then going to put your hands on the other corners, and you're actually going to balance on that corner while you push up. This is great because it allows you to gain more control and works your muscles in completely new ways. So you're going to push down until your chest touches the upwards corner. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, I say this with stipulation because if you're not careful, you can get hurt doing this. It can spin over or your chest can land on the point. So be very careful when you do this particular push-up, but it's a lot of fun. Give it a try if you can. If you feel like you're up for it, give it a try because it's super cool. So let's look at this from the side. Put the corner in the ground like such. See if you can see that. That's a little bit better. Put the shoulder in the ground. Hold it on the corners like this. You'll notice it rotates. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down until your chest touches the point. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you'll notice it moves. So the more tired you get, the harder it gets. That's why I love this exercise. That's why I love cinder blocks, because they give you new creative ways to work the muscles you already have. So there you go, guys. Those are 3 quick and easy types of push-ups you can do with a single half cinder block. Stay tuned. I got another video coming out in a couple days. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and have a great day.